Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Haitian food. Safase.
The reason why we're having this is because it's what?
Fast Food Friday. You know it.
Alright, so I have stewed chicken with rice and peas and some onions, and I have a plantain, and then I wanted to try their fried
Griot. Fried pork.
Yes.
Pork head.
What do you have, my love?
Stewed chicken with the same rice and peas and plantain, onions. You know how the thing is. Same thing first day they got.
Well, you guys know it's Fast Food Friday, so I don't do outfit of the day. So we're gonna dig right in. We feel like eating some Haitian food today.
Yup. From our local spot, you know what I'm saying? One of the best. You know what I'm saying? Where?
We eat every kind of culture.
Every culture we eat. Let me get into it. So for all my Haitians out here we go. Plantain.
I thought it was Safase, Aubale.
I might bite your tongue.
Maybe I'm not pronouncing it right.
It's just like that, but it's not. That's not pronounced right. Wow.
Let me see the fried pork.
Try it.
This is how it looks. It's good.
You know, a brand new one is on deck. You know what I'm saying?
One thing though, they give you a lot.
That's what I was just about to say. One thing, they give you a lot of food. It's worth it.
Yeah.
So, it is worth it. And you know me, when it's to a lot of food, I want the first day to get this, because I know she's not going to finish it.
I was gonna get fried pork, the whole thing.
That's why you have to do that. Just be rude.
Yeah. So, I remember we went to a party. When your co-workers party. When Richie's co-workers party a long time ago, probably 12 years ago. And they made fried goat, oh my gosh, and baked ziti and rice. So much food. And I was like, I'll just try a little. Man.
Trying to be cute.
Trying to be cute. They gave me a little bit. I said, my God, this thing is delicious. I said, can I have seconds, please? Thank you very much. And you can be heavy with the hand on the food.
Yeah, change up. I put down my fork. The spoon. Now get into the rice. And dear rice is so soft.
So, you're not gonna try the pork?
Don't try. Eat what you want, man. Yo, look at this pork. It looks so good.
They give you a lot of food, honey.
Yo, they give you a family. If y'all could see it in this plate, when you go to Jamaica restaurant, you don't get a lot of food like this. They give you a lot.
Let's try some butter my yali people that my you.
They don't get enough food like that. And I tell the truth. your money's spent right here. Yeah, get your money worth. And you know me, I love extra rice. I don't have to ask. They already give me.
You know, I ask for seconds and thirds.
I'm working too far. I'm working cool. Go.
This is another hot sauce that we like to use. It just depends on what we're eating. Like I said, it depends on what I'm eating. Oh, honey, I can't open it.
You're not strong.
I'm weak. Certain things, I have certain things that I eat my food with. You understand?
Weak too. Oh yeah. I work with my fork and my spoon. No?
Oh my gosh. I feel like this hot sauce will go really good.
With the pork.
It'll go good with the pork, yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
It's hot too.
Pork do look good. So whatever first they don't eat.
Ooh. Even the pork?
Sometimes I might.
It's tempting you today?
Yeah, tempting me.
Yeah, right.
You look good.
It's good.
Right. See you. We try everything. One thing with her.
That is true.
So you're gonna get a lot of varieties on this channel.
Honey, you have 1, 2, 3 utensils.
I didn't see no. Think that two me have enough.
You had 3 utensils, really?
You gotta get in there, girl.
I see.
See the steam coming out of it?
Yeah.
It was worth it. We felt like it for this, you know? Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie though, them slow in the place though.
Yeah, they slow. They move slow.
They move slow in the restaurant, but it's
worth it.
well, they fry the
Stuff to go.
the stuff, you know, as we order it, like the plantains and the gruyere. That's how you say it. Grill. So.
Yeah, they fry to go. You're one. Take your time and eat it. I can finish the rest for you. Yep.
I hope you guys are having a great day.
For real. Forgot to ask them.
Don't forget.
6 o'clock. Don't be late. Or you won't participate, or you're not gonna come through that gate.
You love rhyme.
Come on. Y'all hear the onions?
The onions is really crispy. And the fried pork, even though it's crispy on the outside, it's really juicy on the inside.
So, with being said, if you never try it, Asian food, give it a shot. You know what I'm saying? They got the fried goat too. I'm gonna try it next time.
Yeah.
Okay?
The fried goat is really good.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it next time. So how y'all day going? I didn't see action already, but I'm just eating. We're gonna be eating today. Less talking. Right? Less
So
talking.
you say.
Less talking and more eating today. Chicken. They give you a lot of food, huh?
Yeah, a lot of food. They really do.
I'm not gonna lie, family. If I'm lying, I'll be flying. I'm gonna start flying. They give you a lot of food. All my Haitians out there, you have to vow for that. I've been seeing my friends come to work with this. I'll be like, God damn, they be eating a lot of food, yo.
Yeah.
And when they told me the spot, I said, yeah.
So they buy the day before and then bring it to work?
Right?
It's good when you have different, you know, culture, food. Different, you know, type of food.
Yep. That's true. But one thing with us, we don't try anything. No?
Yep.
That's how we are. We support. I heard.
That's right. And if we don't like it, we just want to go back. But we won't talk bad about it. We just say it just wasn't for us. You know what I mean? Unless they piss me off.
Support is the key.
Yeah. You have to.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's still another business.
Yeah.
Mama and Papa shop.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm full enough.
You full? I know you full.
But
I only took 2 bites.
I'm not full, but it's so much food.
It is a lot of food. And your food is hot too.
But we used to have a lot of food on our plate, but this is like an abundance of food.
That's why I want you to get it, because I know you ain't appreciate it.
I'm gonna get pork in there.
Yeah, pork right there, sir.
But you said no. But you said no, just get a side of pork.
I can finish
I
it.
was like,
Yep. I like this place because I swear I don't have to ask for extra rice. And the lady, give me extra rice. Right, first lady?
Yeah.
I know I was gonna ask for extra rice again. I said that already, but I'm still gonna say it again.
He was gonna ask for more rice, and if the people don't give him a lot of rice enough.
Yes. So 6 o'clock. You know where it goes down at. You know what I'm saying? Goes down in the Greedy Couple live. Don't go down no DM. What y'all eating?
It is Friday.
What y'all eating? I'm waiting.
Have you guys ever tried Haitian food before?
Good question. Let us know.
Oh man, look at the skin. And it's hot enough because she just fried it. They fried they fried to order. I think I said that already, but ooh, look at that.
I fried to go.
No soda. This right here with a beer and put some hot sauce on it, like put some of this on there. Sprinkle all over it and you drink a nice cold beer. So, you didn't say nothing but a word.
I'm drinking my woman drink later on. You know that.
Now, bought you some.
Yeah. I'll be sipping on my woman drink later on at 6 o'clock. You know that? So y'all come with me and enjoy. Because I'm sipping to sip. Yeah, I know I'm eating with a fork and a spoon. Yes, I know that. It's my plate. So what?
Oh my gosh.
It's my plate, people.
Alright, so you like one?
Yeah, because I know they're saying, why is he eating with a spoon and a fork?
You was just eating with 3. Two forks and a spoon. And you didn't even realize it.
Yeah. It's mine. Let me eat. Okay. Let me eat. First day, the full first day.
Stop watching my plate, man.
Full of money. I ain't gonna lie, first lady. And you got a small?
I got a small. You got a
Large.
You got a man. I got a woman, he got a man.
I got a man cave. Yeah.
Man-sized food.
Man-sized food, yeah. It's a large. Trust me. Let me know if you had tried this before. And tell me if they give you a lot of food. I know. I do. And I'm loving it. I think you're doing good though.
You think so?
Yeah, you want some more gravy?
Thank you. I think I'm making a dent.
Back with the Minute Maid, you know? The ghetto come up juice. Yeah. Yeah, boil your pork here.
I got what I said. I did not realize that you're gonna give me so much.
It's a lot. When you told your boy, I thought it was somebody else, you know?
She kept on putting more and more meat, more and more meat, more and more. At one point, I was gonna say, okay, I said no.
Yeah, she know you love pork, man.
But I'm like, wait a minute, I paid for it.
I swear she was gonna give it to somebody else.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna eat it though. I'm gonna eat it later on if I don't finish it. I'm not gonna finish it right now, but I'm gonna definitely eat it later on.
You gonna eat that later on, I'm eat that.
Yeah, that's true. Put some hot sauce on it.
I thought you took my plate in, you know? I couldn't find it. I couldn't find my plate, guys.
So why gotta take it?
Because I thought it went on your side.
Oh my. What happens is you eat so fast, you don't know what's going on.
I don't eat fast.
Really, nigga?
I don't eat fast.
Okay. I'm glad I got a small because
Look, you know what's funny? You always get this size, we never know you're gonna get a small size.
No.
Family.
No, they tell us what to get.
Yeah. We didn't know. When we go all the time, we just said, give us a stew chicken.
And the woman always pick up the large
The
one.
big plate. We never know we're gonna get a small plate.
You know what it is? Because she see you and say, yeah, this guy look greedy. And automatically give us the big plate.
First they said, could I have a small, yeah. They have a smaller plate in there?
A lunch special, as a matter of fact.
Yeah.
We didn't know that.
We didn't know that, First Lady?
Yeah.
Wow, we always gonna get a big plate.
And he's gonna say, oh, you.
You too, man. You can't eat, man.
No, sir.
You ate that off. Oh, that's mine. That's mine?
Yeah.
Good. Good job.
I'm full. But I need my grape.
I'm gonna eat that later on.
That's all he worried about.
That's why I told her to get that. She said, "Oh, I'm gonna get a whole pork meal." I said, "Don't do that, please. You're discriminating against me."
I remember when we was at Hibachi. We went to Hibachi one time, and you know you're sitting at a table, and they have a whole bunch of people, and the guy's in the middle, and he's doing his tricks and whatever, making your food.
Yeah.
Excuse me. But before the guy comes, they ask for what kind of drink you want, if you want soup, if you want salad, blah, blah, blah. So we're sitting there, and this couple walks in, and they're white, okay? And they sit down, and they look on the menu, and the husband's like, well, I'm gonna get steak and chicken.
Yeah.
So the wife said, I think I'm gonna get steak and chicken too. Why did she say that? The man got so mad. Don't you get those steak and chicken?
Yeah, we got the same thing.
I'm not gonna want steak and chicken later. I already have steak and chicken. You get shrimp and salmon. He's like, no, you're not gonna finish it, and I want my food later.
Yeah.
And I was like, Jesus Christ, is all men the same? So that's something that Richie would tell me. Where you getting steak and chicken for?
Greedy, I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy. I'm greedy. I'm greedy family. That guy's very greedy. I'm not greedy. I just eat.
I'm telling you, the man in the place was so upset.
I thought they want to fight.
Yeah, he was so mad.
You got hazel eyes. Your eyes be blinging, son.
Oh.
You got hazel eyes. Look at First Lady eyes, guys. Yeah, I can't see, but I can.
But he was mad, honey. Remember?
Yo, he pissed off. I said, yo, damn, we're gonna have to move the table, you know?
Me and Richie laughed. We laughed. The man was mad. And the whole time she eat her food, he's like,
he's pissed off.
Be careful now. Don't eat too much. I have to take some to work. And I said to myself,
say it with me.
that's Richie.
Where's the next ginger? Let me try them a couple. Please. First Lady, I can't believe you used to buy a large. Yes, I'm drinking a soda. It's been a while. How long you haven't been drinking a soda now? You ain't seen me drink a soda for a minute. I'm on that get a come up juice.
They don't know what's in that cheapest water bottle.
No? You see the cheapest water ain't hit the deck in a long time. Yeah. Cheapest water's coming around. Cheapest water bottle is there. Soon come. Getting there. Don't get there. What happened? Look at this. I still got rice over here? Y'all kidding me. Excited?
You excited?
Hell yeah. I love mukbang, I told you.
I said.
I don't care what nobody wants to say, I love mukbang. I love my food.
This was good.
You good?
This was good. It was a lot of food though.
I love food, I know. And you got a small girl. Because I told you, our Jamaican people, they don't give us food like that, a lot of food like that. And I'm being serious. A lot of people could say the same thing. They will stingy with the food, but them, they give you food. Yeah. It's a little famous little spot. You know what I'm saying? It's good to try other cultures, you know? I'm not trying anything. You know? Curry could make it, we try it.
That's true. That's true. I mean, how wrong can you go with stewed chicken?
Yeah.
But everybody makes stewed chicken so differently.
Everybody makes everything different. Yep. Rice soft, man.
Everything was good.
Glad you didn't finish it though. Thank you. Family, I'm glad you didn't finish it. Because I'm sure gonna finish that later. Trust me.
Not good.
Good? You wanna give him a word of wisdom for me today?
Nope.
Not good.
That's your segment. I am not the pastor.
Pastor Richie. What are you talking to the pastor?
Oh.
What are you talking to the crust, okay?
The plantain tastes really good
In the gravy.
in the gravy. But this is not sweet plantain, this is a green plantain, right?
Yeah.
And they smash it.
Smash it with a little salt.
Okay.
Wow. I said I was gonna try to start watching my figure, but I can't help it. Family,
I
went.
for you.
Watch it for me. I went down back to 145 solid. You believe that?
How much?
The other day,
How much was you?
the highest I reached was 160, and I couldn't believe it. I thought the scale was broken. So usually when I go on that scale, 135, 140, 145.
Stop showing off.
Today I went on scale, I was 145. Now, you're gonna give me 3 more pounds. But yeah, so I watch my figure now.
Whatever. As you go to work, you burn that off. So that's a good thing about your job.
I still watch my figure.
I'll definitely watch it for you.
Watch my figure for me. Family, look. See where we're coming from? From nothing now.
He had so much. Well, you guys saw it.
That's
So much
alright.
food.
I ate with 3 stuff this morning. I ate with 3. A spoon, a fork, and a spark. That was good. I enjoyed that. It's been a while. We've been craving it. And I had to tell first lady to let's go get it because first lady knows she wanted to get something else and I didn't want what she wanted to get.
What did I want?
Pork again. Pork, all pork meat.
Oh, Lord.
That was good. If you haven't tried Haitian food and you have Haitian restaurant around your area, go check it out. Tell them Greedy Cup send you. All right.
In trouble.
Pastor Rich is in the building now. The pastor's full now. Now he's ready to talk. Excuse me. A little easy and a little quick one today for y'all.
What did it say about you?
All right, family. Right now, I'm going to the pulpit.
What?
I'm going to the pulpit.
The pulpit?
Yeah, where the pastor go up to? Where the pastor go?
Oh! Wait, you tell him to go to church.
Yeah, I'm going to the pulpit. Right now, where the pastor go to. That's my session now. Okay.
Never mind.
You ready, family, now? Ready? Light can only be understood with the wisdom of darkness. Light can only be understood with the wisdom of darkness. It may sound tricky, but y'all very smart.
That is true.
Think into what I just say. Put it in your own terms. It's what is that, man written?
What else?
It's not man written, it's Richie written.
Richie, man written.
Yeah, it's Richie written. Pastor Richie, so put in your own term. We appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, we share. Yo, mind, I want to tell my youth, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy family. First, do your thing.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.